I might as well just be live if I'm gonna be live, right? Oh, we do have the camera working. It's a new camera, by the way. Ability. May 25th through 27th, I think? Something like that. Through the 17th. Or the 77th day of May. It's DRECon, like .com or something. .org? Hey Zogot, how are you doing? What days? The 26th. Okay, 25th and 26th. Cool, that should be everything. Gotta have my chat up. And then time to start working on the databases. Right? Sprint Egacid ended. Oh, you're upgrading Legacy? That's always the worst. Like, I've tried several occasions to, like, replace Legacy projects, and it's literally the worst. Like, literally the worst project in the world. So I'm glad that you're making progress on it. Glad that you're making a lot of progress on it. So... oh gosh. I think I had a ticket for this in the project. GitHub. People see, what do you, if you want to deprecate your legacy systems, hire Zogot. That's essentially what I just heard from that. Like, that's what he does, and apparently he does it so well that, like, that's all that's on his resume. Well, it's better than, like, people being like, oh, you wrote Perl 20 years ago, and that's on your CV, so we need you to work in Perl. So I got Yeah, so that's I don't know if that's a good thing or bad. That seems like something that would be highly sought after. People are always trying to get more things taken care of, right? I guess there's always legacy to deprecate. If nothing else, there's always code to deprecate. So you'll always have a job. See, you could make a consulting company that all they do is like deprecate legacy code bases. Almost done. I'm just posting on all of the things. Copy. I mean, and it definitely is a challenge, so if you find it fun, I say make your career out of it. Until you get bored, then go make your career out of something else. My goodness. Okay, so I'm ignoring that pull request. I have 6 projects? I mean, 6 branches open? Ignore, yes. This is what we need to do today. Create a branch. Copy, paste. Oh, like... What can I say? That's, I guess that's what we need too, right? Is a good team morale. I mean, that helps everything. I think that's the worst. Like, having no motivation to work, the worst thing. Which is why I do Twitch streams on Friday. Gives me motivation to work. You know? Okay. So first thing first, we have, no, we're still just doing GoS stuff. But we have a database that we're connecting to it, and we are closing it. What changes do I have in that other one? I hope they weren't changes that like actually changed how it worked. 118, oh, well, that's a change. No. Yeah, it was just adding tests. And documentation. Oh. Yeah, and I moved the migrate stuff. too worried. Now I can just work on what I want to work on. I'll go ahead and kill that. How's the music? Is the music too loud? I have a separate control for the music on my headphones, so I don't necessarily know. Hey, I have that. I was recommended that continuous delivery YouTube channel the other day. We've been looking at a lot of that stuff for work as well. We use Argo CD, but we don't necessarily do a good job of leveraging the CI part of our pipeline. Neither do we do a good job of the continuous delivery part of that pipeline. So, like, I feel like the old mindset always creeps in of doing big releases of like big features at a time. And that is, oh, I apologize. That's not necessarily good. That's actually quite scary, in fact. So we have, oh my gosh. So yeah, continuous delivery, I think, is hard for people to grasp if they've never, like, it's kind of a new concept, I feel like, for a lot of people, and that's unfortunate. Where can you get this shirt? Let me tell you. It's called Go West Conf, and you already have one. Why does that say 2021? That's a lie. That happens in 2022. But that is where you get it, that little shop right there. Oh my gosh, let's edit that because we need that to be the right date. $2023, should we have it in 2023 mode? Oh look, I could also do this command. Did you see this command? That's actually to the shop. Okay. But that would be a Thursday. Anyway, we'd just schedule it 10 years in advance. Then we'd be committed to the next 10 years of our life to do a conference. We'll have to figure out a plan to hand it off before 10 years. I don't know if I can still do... I don't know if I can still do all this stuff in 10 years. We should definitely, anything else? Is my code right? The code's right, blog's right. Hiring, yep, that's all correct. Okay, back here. True. By then it'll be so big it'll just be a cash cow, so we can just show up. We just have to show up and get paid, right? Like, that's our goal. Let's go. I need to make sure something works. So we're gonna do dev. And actually, let's make a directory here. And then make dir a dev, and then we'll call it scheduler. And then we'll go in dev scheduler. Cool. Go really west till Europe conf. There is a GopherCon EU. So if you would like to attend an in-person, right? You said you were in the Netherlands? I think that's happening in July. Yeah, in Berlin. So this is happening in July in Berlin. Obviously, they have more. Why is our website not as fancy as this one? Actually, I think ours is fancier. I love ours, so don't change it for a bit. And then ours is amazing. Go really west. Go so far west that you're actually east of where you started, which is technically all west. I love spheres. And then the other one, GopherCon UK, is also in Europe. And they're in London, so whichever one is more convenient for you, you're welcome to attend. Ours will be broadcast, though, you know. Yes, but I'm not... So feel free to go to any of those. For anyone watching, I have been banned. Proverbially banned. I don't think... Like, nobody's actually revoked my rights from doing any edits to the Go West website because they are bad. Like, I build broken websites. So, when you say our site needs a little love, then I say, K-Mord, you go get it. Give it love, because I'm not allowed to, because I would just punish it and make it worse. Like, we gotta... We want to do the right thing here, not the bad thing. And the right thing is you give it love. And if we want other people to give it love, I can revoke them. Yeah, revoke them, but remember who's paying for it. I'm the one with payment authorization, so you can revoke them and then you're on the hook to pay. So, I don't want to go to LinkedIn. Oh gosh, I wanted to go by example ticker. That's not how you spell ticker. I don't know if it was ticker or timer. I think it's ticker. Okay, timers are for when you want to do something. It's when you want to do something once. Ticker's when you want to do something at a regular interval, and that's what I want. Yeah, so we want this. Copy. What do you mean? Yeah, you're supposed to, There is no scheduler. Yeah, I need to do that. I do need to give you access to our bank account since you're in charge of the money, not me. For anybody in chat, I need one more follower on Medium. What the heck? I need one more follower on Medium to re-qualify for the partner program that I was kicked out of but paid for the month of March. They paid me $3. For writing posts that could only be viewed behind a paywall. I'm also not that big, like, if I may not actually put the paywall back on, but having an even 100 followers as opposed to 99 could be pretty nice. So there's that. Nightbot, why do you... Thank you, Zogot. Now I'm at 100. Take that, Medium. Can't hold me back. What? Will it show me 100? What? Did somebody unsubscribe? Maybe it's still, maybe they haven't. Yeah, maybe it's their eventing system hasn't recorded it yet. I don't know. Okay. So what we need go run. Go report GitHub issue. Ticker stopped. Oh, it does it every 500 milliseconds. So if I want my ticker to run every week, essentially, the thing is, sorry. Just thinking about how I want to run this. No, I want to look. There we go. I don't want worker pools either. Like, that's not necessarily what I want. Go back. I do want a ticker. I just don't know necessarily if there's a benefit of it posting at 2 a.m. Right? Like, I want it to post Here, I already have one of these. Let's go draw it. Right? Yeah. Do I want it XML or do I want it? Yeah, that's fine. Basic wireframes. I don't know if I want a flowchart or a swim lane diagram, but I do need... We'll start with the flowchart. Do you like my new camera? I bet you can't even tell that I got a new camera. But I did. My old one exploded. This one. Okay, we're gonna put that in dev. Okay, so what I want is something like this. Lamp burned out plugin. Just go away. So I have a database right here. This is called Cockroach Serverless. Did you hear my doggo's chaotic night? They're barking. I have a balcony with a bug screen on it. It's a really nice day, and I almost have that open every time I stream. So they do end up barking a lot. But they're good dogs. Really good dogs. I bought hoodies this week. So we have a right here. So we're gonna put this right here. So I bought hoodies. They arrived this week. Should we call it a timer? For video post. Okay. So I bought some hoodies for me and my dogs. They all match. I got them this week. I thought I measured my dogs. Mostly I only measured their necks. So I got my little dog in medium and my big dog in XL, which is also the harness size they wear. So I was like, maybe that'll... No. The XL fits my little dog. And so we had to get my big dog a 3XL that'll be coming probably sometime in the next 3 weeks. And then I'll have one that matches, and then we'll get family pictures done with all three of us in the same hoodie. So that should be really fun. They're gonna hate me. My dogs do not like wearing things. Like, they'll tolerate harnesses, because that means they get to go on walks. But, like, everything else, they really, like, hate. They're very free dogs. I guess I don't dress them up enough for them to be used to it. Ever. I don't dress them up ever for them to be used to it. Just the harnesses for when we go on walks and long car rides. They do have to wear the harness on long car rides. Oh, Zogot! I forgot. There is at least one more. There are typically several Go conferences in Europe. I don't know why Europe has so many and the US does not. But Europe does. There is one more that I've been involved in the past, and that is Go Lab. I don't think they've announced anything for next year. I mean, for this year. This one's out of Florence, Italy. So, if you want to go to Italy, there's another one. The one in Berlin's probably the closest to you, though. Okay, so basically, we'll have a weekly send event that comes out of there. And this will hit our Twitter bot. Then we get, this is all happening in the Twitter bot. Tweet from tweet info from DB, right? Which, oh my gosh. This, and then we undo that. Publish tweet. And then we, I don't know why I'm using these symbols, I just am. And then we mark tweet last publish date. Right, and that's gonna hit our cockroach serverless again. And this has a process right in the middle that we need to throw in there. Check last send date for check last send date is greater than 30 days. And then if not, it would get a new one. That makes sense? I mean, this is what I want. So we can do all of this with our timer, I think. Okay. We don't need that right there. Does our drop still work? Sweet, it does. Do you hear the drop stuff when it happens? I know you don't hear any of my sound effects, but I think that's a problem with me not using a soundboard. I should see if how many people have registered for that O'Reilly course. 181 spots left, guys. Hurry up and get it before it runs out. Okay, back here. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, if you didn't hear any sounds for the drop, then that means I did. And then it's probably going to like desktop audio or something else that's not coming to my OBS. And I need to redo that, my sound stuff, eventually. Okay, so this sounds good. So let's go ahead and we can build all of this out using my imports. But the first thing we need to do is we need to add this and that method. And I want those to be on the database layer themselves. Select one random video. Update sent at. Oh, look, I have those already. I just need to call them. Do I not call update sent at? I do update sent at, so I only need to do this. Check last, check last send date. What if I do random, right? I do have the order by random. But if I don't put a limit on it, then I could just check the last send date when we do the row next, and then we would just return. Okay, give me a second. That check last send date's a bad name. It should be something like can send video, and it should be lowercase. We don't need the connection. We do need a YouTube video. Look at that. If video last sent time, we are not getting that. That's not something we are pulling, so we need to start pulling that. Last sent at, cool. If last sent at shouldn't be after. If last sent at dot add no, we want to do a subtraction. Sub time dot now is greater than time dot hour. Do we have a time dot day? No. This is 3 months. Didn't we just say 30 days? We're gonna do a false, otherwise return true. We're gonna make that 30 days. We've got like 30 videos, so it should be fine. It might fail though. Should use greater than or equal to. Time until. Time until doesn't make any sense. So if no, we do want it to be greater than or equal to. Was sent less than 3 months ago, return false. I know it's unused. No, that's not gonna work. It needs to be time.now sub, because time.now is greater. Right? So it should be time.now sub video last sent at is less than. No, it's not less than. Greater than. It needs to be greater than 3 months. I don't know why it's giving me that. Oh, I like the since. Okay, so if... So video... time.since yes. And if that's greater than 3 months, return true. Otherwise, return false. Oh, Watch this. This is what it's been trying to get me to do this whole freaking time. Duh. And then we do here. What does that mean? No, this should be nil. Sorry. Should also be nil, right? Because what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do if can send video, return video no. Otherwise, it's gonna keep going. No videos found. No videos. All videos have been recently sent. So basically, hey Ivor, how you doing? You gonna go out dancing again tonight? Do you go out dancing every Friday? I guess that's what they do in Europe, huh? I used to go out dancing every Friday night when I was young. Like 22, 23. It's across the street. So you essentially can't go to sleep either way. I get it. How can a club be quiet enough for you to not hear the music? That's weird. So now I have this set up. Perfect. So now what I need to do is I have this Autobot tweet random video. So I need to, right here. And then this is essentially what I want. Error should be dot equals on that error. Wait. Can you hear my music? I'll turn my music up to imitate the club vibe that you would get if rate limiting. No, I should be rate limiting. No, we've actually, that's what we were talking about at work last night, with some of the India devs. No, this is just scheduling. I just want to schedule an automatic tweet to happen every, you know, X number of minutes. So So we don't have a DB or DB client. We do have a channel done. We don't have a context. Let's go pull this. I don't need to run the Discord bot in this case, so that's good. Database is declared. Oh, undeclared name database. Well, that's because that should be DB. We'll just call that DB here. Oh, that's the problem. T declared but unused. Because I don't actually need T, I just need the channel to present the event. And it doesn't need to be every 500 milliseconds. But that's fine. That would, I mean, this would just prove it would work, and it would do 2 publishing events, right? So what does this do? This creates a ticker that publishes events every 5 seconds. This would set up Twitter API and database. Start the Twitter bot, which we have not been using. Like, this is the actual bot part of it. It doesn't just send tweets, it like, right? This is what it like, updates the video and does all kinds of things. And then every time we get a Twitter event, we do that until we do done. And on done, we need to do all these. I mean, we actually probably don't, because this is just like a test. Look at how gross that camera got. There we go. Just want to be crisp and in focus for you guys. It failed? Why did it fail? Let's get rid of all this stuff. That doesn't help me at all. Oh, that's not what I want. I need a CD into dev scheduler, right? And now go run. You're right, I don't. Gotta love it. It should be go run dev scheduler. Main.go, that should work. You're right, it is a nil. So in this, this is all the stuff I'm storing, but what is the stuff? Where is my actual database schema? Schema. Right here. I'm thinking about this. Essentially what I need to do is I need to just go in this migrate. Where's my migrate? We need to alter the table. You like my music? Thank you. So here where we run migrate, which we don't actually run there anymore. Right, this does a ping, that's great. We're gonna actually run this migration. Lulu, you want to say hi to the camera? Hello, camera. My name is Lulu. I am a good girl. Huh? Are you a good girl? Yes. Look at that big smile you got. See, I smile if you score red to me. Yeah, you smiling so big. Yeah. You're making a guest appearance on the Twitch streams. Yes, I am so special. Yeah, you're so special. You're so special. You're so special. Yeah. She's getting the royal treatment right here. Okay, you gonna lay down? Good girl. That we don't need you on now. There you go, we back. So in this migrate, we have this create query, and then we're gonna add a c.db.mustExec, which is an alter query. Alter last send date query. And we're gonna go ahead and make a var or a const. Let's go ahead and make it a const. Last send at query. And this would be alter table YouTube videos. I don't remember SQL if we have to alter columns. SQL, I know it's alter table, but I don't know if we have to add and drop. Or if we can change a column. Alter table column SQL. There we go. Okay, it is alter column. Okay, ooh, we can just... No, it's not my Oracle. It's not MySQL Oracle, so it would be... It's Postgres. So, we should actually do Postgres alter column. Columned. I remember this being particular. So it is an alter column set default. That's what I want. And set not null. Alter and then we want to also set not null. I think we can just do not null as well. In that? Will you stop doing that? The reason being, oh my gosh. I think I've added the not null to the end of that. Because null would essentially give us an error that we don't want. Oh my gosh. And right now I am running migrate in the connection. Perfect. We change that later. The time is 3:30 p.m. Why don't you go wash your hands? Because I just started streaming like an hour ago. I have the source, so sorry. Okay, so not null's not a thing. But the setting the default should essentially take care of that, so I'm fine. For now. Last send data? What the heck? Am I calling it the wrong thing? Okay, so in video, it's called last send at. I'm calling it, okay, when we query, we call it last send at. But in the connection, I'm probably not calling it last send at, right? It's last send at. Oh my gosh. Yes, it does. Last send at does so too exist. Last sent at? Oh my gosh. Who is in charge of spelling? I'm using last sent at there. Oh, we're not benchmarking anything. That's not what I want either. Go run dev. Do I need to drop the table and then start over? Probably. Those were like all of my things. look at, it's still all of my things. Holy crap. I thought I had... like, in dev, I thought I had, yeah, the run DB. That's all I wanted. Oh, that's the old password. Not that it matters, since I just freaking put everything on there. But... I will, cool. That works. So now I should be able to drop Is it YT videos? Is that what the table name's called? YT videos? Why? That's not what I wanted. Oh, it is YT video, so that should have worked. So now if I do a source, go run. It shouldn't be it. No. Right? It shouldn't be nil. Just gonna if it was MySQL, I'd be able to do show tables. I wonder if Cockroach has a built-in one. Cockroach. Oh, so I can do show tables. Cool, let's do it. Okay, so now if I wanted to drop public dot yt underscore videos. No. What was it? Was it? Yeah. Obviously, I'm dropping it wrong. Postgres. Why don't we just drop the column and then add the column? That'll work. Last sent at. That says, because that's alert table, not alter table. That's what it is supposed to be. Oh, I didn't say drop column, did I? And then we go alter table yt underscore videos, add column last sent at default time dot now. You could put not null here. Not null. What does it not like about what I'm doing here? Oh, I don't have a type. Oh, what type did I have this set to? Was it timestamps? TZ? It was just a regular timestamp. Cool. Create tweet table. We're gonna add that too. So this should be db bash now exists, so it should just be now. It already exists. So that means we should set, this would be alter. What the heck did I do wrong with that? Should I drop the column and then add it again? Well, that worked. So now if I go run the schedule thing, oh, the migrations broke. Lily, how you? You come back to see Mama get scratches? Say, Mama, what you doing? shouldn't do anything. Am I creating an enum type? Shouldn't be storing a type nil into pointer of time.time. I also don't think it should be a pointer of time.time. I think it should just be a time.time. Why is it a pointer? Oh, maybe it wants it to be a pointer? That's what I thought. Yeah, that means that I'm querying something wrong. My query may not be correct. Last sent at timestamp. And it says last sent at. Oh, I have Starbucks rewards that expire in May. How many stars do I have in Starbucks rewards? I have 45. I need 50 for it to be worth anything, so we good. So Mad Hassan, thank you for that follow. Mr. Ahmed Hassan, that's how I'm reading that. Mr. Ahmed Hassan, thank you for the follow. We are now one closer to that goal. Thanks for joining us today. I broke my query. Well, what I should do is just see what's in the table, right? Do I have all of that. I have a last sent at, right? So I want to select, I need to select ID, video title, and then last sent at from YT videos. You getting hot, bud? So we do have 2 that are null. Why don't we just set those videos? Right? Like, insert, no, update. YT videos. Hey, buddy. Last, and then we set last sent at equals now, why not? Where ID equals I thought I copied this. Cool. Let's get another ID. I know these have been sent tweets, but clearly okay. So now if I select all, cool, they all have valid values. None of those are 3 months old though. So we're not gonna succeed in any of those, but let's see. Oops. Go run. Oh, again, source. Go run. We don't know what to do if we don't return anything at the end of the day. So we need to add logic for that. NVim, internal botguts. YouTube videos, and that should be on line 32, 48. If video equals null, Perfect. That is running the way I expect it to run. How close is May 6th? Today's the 8th. It's like a month away. Oh my goodness. Yep. What's next? Lulu, how are you? I think what's next is I'm out of water. My dogs need to go outside. So we're just gonna take a quick little 3-minute break. And we will BRB.
down to the B side. Get down to the B side.
I'm back. Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay, Mariah.
According to Siri, it's okay. But we're having a pretty dead stream today, so clearly nobody cares about the database. Bye. So now there's no default. So it works. Now where do we want it to live? I should see these dogs sitting right next to me waiting for some popcorn. They're crazy. Oh no, it's there. Okay, so that's working as we want. And so in the auto bot, in the bot guts, is there only YouTube vid? So we haven't. Idiots. Like me that set it up. So we need to set up a new timer, a new ticker here. And a done channel. We already have a done channel, I thought. No, but we do have that. And OS, where's this? Where are we using the signal notify? Yeah. That's already in the client. So I'm not gonna have a channel done because we already have the OS signal in the client. So here, we want to do a ticker. And this would be every 7 days, which is once a week. Which is fine. We need to stop that. This needs to be to do, take argument, or end bar for this. Hey, you stop, Blue. Right, and so now we have our timer. And so now we need this, which will run in a go routine. I mean, right now it is. So we'll have a func send. It would be schedule video tweet. And it needs to act on the Autobot, not take it as an argument. If somebody asked me why, I would say because it feels wrong to do it the other way. And this would be that really always list? Does it need to be in a for loop? I like more error handling. I don't always do. Right now, I don't know. If I want that for loop. That defer cancel is already taken care of, so I don't need to defer the cancel. But it's not context done, it is see, it has this client shut down. No, I want this one. So I know I have an extra there now. This is missing a return nil, but it wouldn't need the return with the for loop. I guess and then if this works and there's no error. Oh, we already have the tweet video, okay. And this would not be client. So right here, where we have the timer stop, I don't even think we need that. But I don't know what I just pushed. So I think we just need this. Basically. And we should have a func. Yeah. With the close. And in this case, you're right, I don't need the channel. I could just do this. If right? Not the if. But essentially, it would just block until that. And if that's the case, then we do want a for loop because we don't ever want to return. But we would want the error. And that should, on an OS exit, that should cancel anyway. I don't think it's gonna hurt us. I mean, I guess I don't really know. I don't know. But we're having a pretty slow day, chat. Pretty slow, chill day, right? Chill day. I don't even have chat up to know who's chatting. Oh, it's just Pretzel Rocks. So what's up? What's going on? I mean, right now, this literally, if I run this locally, should do nothing. Like, should not see any tweets for the next week. Which, you know, ideal, clearly. Best way to test stuff is to write something that doesn't work. GC, git commit message. For automatic video meetup recording post, which is what I want essentially. It is GC MSG. What? How on earth was it rejected from the remote? Like, I don't know. Uh-oh. Something went wrong. See, I could do this whenever I want. I'm not ready for auto merge. Hey, at least it built, right? Because this PR didn't have any tests in it. Which is always good. So let's see if we just do a source again, just for... Okay, so it's just running like it's supposed to right now. And I shouldn't be seeing anything on Twitter. Nope. Nothing on Twitter, just like how I want. Cool. That clearly, look. Oh, that did remove the cluster root certificate this time. So it looks like when we do the the correct shutdown, it works. When it doesn't set up right, it doesn't work. That's good to know. Now let's see. What tests we should add with this. And then yeah. What after that? What do we do after we add tests? Question is, what happens after Elon Musk adds the edit button? Right? That's the real big thing. What the edit button will do to Twitter. So first thing first, I have this dev scheduler. Which is fine. I just like don't need to deploy it, right? Like it can just be. I only want it to like really build locally, and even at that, like I'm gonna add this to the Docker ignore. Which won't make a difference. But none of the stuff in Docker needs to go into... None of the stuff in dev needs to go into Docker, so we are fine with that. Because that's just an example. And Vim readme. Oh, there it is. It's not even in. What the heck do I have this open for? It's not in scheduler. It is scheduler flow. Period. raw IOPNG. We have a lot more dependencies than this, right? Now we have the one that we use for auth and Discord logo. And this should be OAuth. I'm gonna call it DG Hubble OAuth 1. Discord go. There we go. And then we'll say something here like dependencies. Managed via GoMod file. Dependencies are managed via the GoMod file. The dependency bot scheduled action looks for updates and vulnerabilities in the dependencies. And then we have that over here. I don't know if I have that. How is this not gone? I don't want that. Where is our dependency bot stuff? Dependabot, that's what I meant. That's GitHub Dependabot. That's what I want. Thank you, Jason Newman. For adding that. We've done this. That's kind of done. It's kind of an endpoint. Okay. How many exported methods did I add? Somebody unfollowed me on Medium. Where did my chat go? I lost Twitch chat. Look, there all my viewers are watching Jordan. Now I have chat again. I don't know what happened to my chat. It was all gone. Okay. I think I can get rid of this. Update README with dependencies. Nope, it wasn't this one. This stuff is not tested at all. And it should be. Every single thing in here should be tested. But I have to decide if I want to do that today or not. Now I'm gonna call it a day. You guys have been awesome. It's been pretty chill. I did a podcasting earlier, so I've been online for longer than I should be. But thank you for hanging out with me today. I'll get this pushed up and then we'll get working on the tests and junk. I've got some the DRE conference coming up and also my O'Reilly course, so I'm going to be pretty busy the next few weeks. I'm going to try and keep doing these Friday streams working on my bot or on some other cool side project, but as time winds down, we're going to hit some pretty hard deadlines here in a couple weeks. So I hope everything works out. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I hope to see you guys soon. And I really hope you have a good weekend.